Okay, very good morning to everyone. Today we'll start the new chapter, that is decimals. Okay, so first of all, we will see the important terms and definitions of this chapter. We'll understand the theory part of this chapter, then we will move forward with the exercise of this chapter. Okay. Now, what is decimals? Yes, who will tell me? You can just raise your hands to give the answers. Yes, Soham Rathod.
Yes, sir. Sir, a decimal is any number in our base 10 number system.
Okay. Yes, Manit.
Sir, decimal is thing that divides the thing equally.
That divides the thing equally. No, beta, it's wrong. I don't think so. Yes, Rudra. Rudra Jed.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
The word decimal come from Latin word decim, meaning 10. We can have learned about decimal in early classes.
What is decimal? I asked you that, means from where that word came. I don't want it. It's a Latin word. Yes, Rudra.
The decimal is the fraction with the power of 10.
With the power of 10. Power ऊपर होता है बेटा. Okay, Gaurav. Gaurav
Yes,
Bangar.
sir.
Hmm. What is a
The
decimal?
decimal is a thing that is based on number system of 10.
Okay, number system whose base is 10. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll see the definition now. A decimal consists of two parts, whole part and decimal part. Okay. You can see on your screen, which are separated by a decimal point. Example is also given 983.265. तो इसमें whole part कौन सा है? Yes, who will tell me which one is the whole part? Yes, Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir.
Which one is the whole part?
Sir, 983.
Nine.
983 is the whole part.
Correct. This is whole part. Okay. And what about this 0.265?
Sir, that are the parts of it. The parts between 983 and 984.
It's not like that, beta. It is decimal part. Decimal point के बाद जो part होता है, that is called as a decimal part. Okay. You can see on your screen now. See, this is what this portion is, whole part. Okay. Next,
Yes.
this point is what? This is a decimal point. Okay. And at the last, this 265, which is in red color, this is what? This is decimal part. So is it clear to you? In any decimal number, whole part is there, decimal part is there, and decimal point is there. Okay. Yes, Devesh, mute yourself. Girija Dharmadikari.
Yes, sir.
Now I am writing one value here, 71.271. Now tell me which is the whole part, which is the decimal part, and which is the decimal point here.
71 point.
माधवी लोहिया,
Yes, sir.
बोलो इसमें होल पार्ट कौन सा है, डेसिमल पार्ट कौन सा है, और डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ पे है?
Whole part is 71.
करेक्ट. होल पार्ट इज 71.
Decimal point is that point.
Correct. This is
And decimal part is 271.
okay. This is decimal part. So whenever the decimal value is given to you, you should be able to identify the whole part, decimal part, and the decimal point. Okay.
Yes.
Is anyone having any doubt till here? Okay. We'll move forward. Now see the next thing. Okay, place value chart of decimals. Okay, we will see the chart first. Decimals can be represented in the place value chart. Okay, as shown below. So the place value chart is given to us. We will see the chart first. See, this is the chart. Okay, तो ये है decimal point. Okay. उसके राइट में जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू होता है दैट इज वंस प्लेस वैल्यू, सेकेंड वैल्यू इज टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू, थर्ड वैल्यू इज हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फोर्थ वैल्यू इज थाउजेंड्स प्लेस वैल्यू. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा इन दिस कॉलम? If I make one new column here, what will come next? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Shlok. Shlok.
Yes, sir.
What will?
Yes, sir. There will be 10,000. There
Correct.
will be 10,000.
Correct. There will be 10,000.
10,000.
Okay. So like this, we can go on increasing this place value chart. On the left
After
side,
here, we can take lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, like this also.
yes, correct. And on the right also, we can increase it. Now see, the values, one's value, it is denoted by 1. Ten's value, it is denoted by 10. Hundred's value, it is denoted by 100. And thousand's value, it is denoted by 1000. Now suppose if the number is like this, 3721. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ये नंबर को अगर हम लोग ब्रेक करेंगे तो वंस वैल्यू इज 1, टेंस वैल्यू इज 20. ओके, हंड्रेड्स वैल्यू इज 700 एंड थाउजेंड्स वैल्यू इज 3000. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? आपको पता है, ये लोअर क्लासेस में भी आपने किया है ये. ओके, दिस लेफ्ट पार्ट इज easy for you. Okay, you have done it in lower class also. Just pay attention on this right part of this place value chart of decimals. Okay, तो डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद सबसे पहला वैल्यू होता है टेंथ्स. ओके, THS जोड़ते हैं हम लोग आगे, टेंथ्स. So it is denoted like this, 1/10. Okay, next value is hundreds. It is denoted as 1/100. Next value is thousands. Okay, it is denoted as 1/1000. Next value is 10,000s. Okay, it is denoted as 1/10,000, and like this, so on it goes on. Okay, so if the value is like this now, 3721.1273, who will tell me how we will represent this value? Yes, Manit, can you tell me the value?
Sir, we will. Sir, the whole number value is 3721.1273.
Whole number value is only this much, 3721. Okay, whole part. डेसिमल के लेफ्ट वाला जो पार्ट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द होल पार्ट. ओके, राइट वाला जो होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द डेसिमल पार्ट.
Decimal part.
हाँ, if I want to expand this, Manit, if I want to expand this value, write this value in the expanded form, so what it will come? 3 multiplied by 1000. Now why I have written 1000 here? Can you tell me?
Sir, because in left hand side the number is the number which is which is in left side of the left number that is greater.
Okay,
And then
okay,
we will
okay,
have to start from one digit.
okay. I am not asking you which one is greater and which one is smaller. Just see, this one is ones place value, this two is tens place value, this seven is hundreds place value, and this three is
1000.
thousands place value. So I have multiplied this three with 1000. Okay. Next, tell me about seven. What we will get for seven?
7 multiply 100.
Correct.
100.
Because it is hundreds
Then,
place value.
then 2 multiply 10.
Correct. 2 multiplied by 10. Next,
Then plus 1.
1 multiplied by 1. Ones place का जो वैल्यू है
0.
उसको हम लोग 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. वंस प्लेस का जो वैल्यू है उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Sir, then after there will be.
Now this is this value na, tenths. Okay.
1 upon 10.
1 upon 10.
Multiply.
Correct. Multiply nahi, plus.
1 upon 10. 2 upon 100.
Correct.
7 upon 1000. 1000 and 3 upon 10,000.
Correct. So in this way, we write any decimal value in the expanded form. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Madhavi. What's the problem?
Yes, sir. In the right side, there is 100,000. Nah. So in left side, we have to take 100,000. 100,000.
We can expand it in both the directions. It depends on the value which is given to us. Okay.
No, sir, but there is 100,000.
I know it. It's there. You can skip it. No problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
We can expand it, but आपको इतना बड़ा नंबर नहीं पूछा जाएगा in exam. Okay. So whatever is displayed in this page, you will have to write. In the previous page also, whatever was there, you will have to write it. See, this page also you will write it in the CW as it is, everything. Okay. And this page also you will write it in your CW. Okay. Okay, next. Now, what do you mean by like and unlike decimals? जैसे हम लोगों ने like fractions और unlike fractions पढ़ा था. So in the same way, we are having like decimals and unlike decimals. Who will tell me what is the relationship between fractions and decimals? First, tell me this. What is the relationship between fractions and decimals? Is there any relationship between fractions and decimals? Yes, Riddhi Siddhi. Is there any relationship between fractions and decimals?
Yes, sir. There is relationship between fractions and decimal. That in decimals we give a point in between two between a number after a whole part, and in fractions we
Okay.
sorry, sir. Yes, sir. In fractions, there is numerator and denominator fractions. Fraction is and also fraction is converted into decimals.
That's the point. That's the point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fractions can be converted into decimals and decimals can be converted into fractions. Please mute yourself.
Fraction.
I will explain it. Okay. Now suppose 3 3.14. This is a decimal value. Okay, 3.14. This is a decimal value. We can convert this decimal value into fractions. Okay, so if I want to convert it into fractions, this will come 314 divided by 100. Okay, why I have taken 100? Because after decimal point there are two digits, so that's why I have taken 100. If it was like this, 3.142, then I would have written it 3142 divided by 1000. Now 1000, why it came here? Because after decimal point here three digits are there, so that's why 1000. When there are two digits after decimal point, we write 100 in the denominator. Okay, so this is decimal and we have converted this into fraction. Okay, so decimals or fraction में क्या relation है? We can convert them. Decimals can be converted into fractions, fractions can be converted into decimal. Now suppose I am having this fraction. If I convert this in decimal, it will come 0.75. अब कैसे convert करना है? Divide करना है 3 को 4 से. You will get the answer as 0.75. So fraction can be converted into decimals also. Is it clear to you? एक दूसरे में हम लोग उसको convert कर सकते हैं. So that's why fraction के बाद immediately आपका chapter है decimals, because there is a relationship between them. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Please give the response in the chat box. Okay, fine. Now we will see like decimals and unlike decimals. Before that, tell me, what do you mean by like fractions and unlike fractions? Yes, Aditya Khatti.
Yes, sir. Like fractions mean which numerator is smaller than denominator, and unlike fraction means which denominator is greater than the numerator.
तो प्रॉपर और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या है बेटा? फिर आपने जो बोला, तो प्रॉपर और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या है फिर?
Like fraction means which denominator is same,
Correct.
and unlike fraction means which denominator is not same.
It's different. Okay, for like fractions the denominator is same, and for unlike fractions the denominator is different. तो वैसे ही like decimals और unlike decimals भी होता है. So first we'll see the definition. Decimals having same number of decimal places are called as like decimals. Okay, and exactly, now see the example is also there. Now you can see 3.682 and 25.789 are like decimals. Why they are like decimals? Who will tell me why they are like decimals? Yes, Ajinkya Sitole. Why they are like decimals? Ajinkya Sitole.
Sir,
Yes, Aditya, what you were telling?
sir, because after decimal point there are three numbers.
There are three digits. Correct. Here also in this value there are three digits, and here also in this value there are three digits. So that's why these two are like decimals. यानी decimal point के बाद अगर equal number of digits होते हैं तो उनको हम लोग बोलेंगे like decimals in simple language. Is it clear to you? Like decimal किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग? Is it clear to you? Decimal point के बाद अगर equal number of digits होंगे, so those are called as like decimals. Okay, now see the next thing. Decimals not having same number of decimal places are called as unlike decimals. From example, it will be more clear to you. Now see 1.36 and 37.878. Now you can check decimal point के बाद यहाँ पे दो digits है और यहाँ पे तीन digits है. That means these two are unlike decimals. Okay, that means these two are unlike decimals क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो digits है, यहाँ पे तीन digit है. यहाँ पे देखो, in above example, three digits were there after the decimal point. That's why these were like decimals. Is it clear to you? Like and unlike decimals. This is very important. Okay. Okay, whatever is there in this page, you will write it. Okay. In your CW, you will have to copy this everything. Okay. Now I will ask few questions. Tell me whether the decimals are like or unlike. Yes, Trisha. 60 rule number 30. Trisha, unmute yourself. Trisha, can you hear me? Okay, Arush Bangad.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now I'm writing some value. Tell me whether these are like or unlike.
Okay, sir.
Huh. Tell me whether these are like decimals or unlike decimals. Why you mute yourself? I don't know. After
Yes, sir. So, sir, 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 it is unlike decimals
what is the
because, sir,
reason?
uh, the, sir, in after point there are four numbers in 3.1724, and in 43.172 there are three numbers after point. That's why.
See, in the first number, there are 4 digits after the decimal point. In the second number, there are 3 digits after the decimal point. Okay, that's why these are unlike
Yes.
decimals. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Like, unlike? Okay. Next, we will move forward. Okay. Conversion of decimals. Now, what does this means? Conversion of decimals. What do you think? Yes, Lisa. Rule number 11. Lisa. Sukhani. Pankaja. What does this means? Conversion of decimals. What we are going to do here? I think so. Most of you not at their places. Yes, Shlok. What does this means? Conversion of decimals.
Sir, it means to decimals to the fractions. Conversion of decimals to the fractions.
Conversion of decimals to the fractions. Okay. Now here in your chapter number 6, conversion of decimal means conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. जैसे हम लोग unlike fractions को like fraction
Yeah. Like in fifth chapter, we studied conversion of fractions like that.
unlike fractions into like fractions, तो वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी हम लोग unlike decimals को like decimals में पहले convert करते हैं, then only we solve them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see here now what is there in this topic. Unlike decimals can be changed into like decimals by adding zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part. Now we know what is decimal part. Okay. Now see, I will give you one example. 3.72. Okay. And 43.7685. Now these two are unlike decimals. Yes or no? Shlok. These two are unlike decimals.
Yeah.
So now we need to convert this unlike decimals into like decimals. So what we will do according to this statement, what we will be doing here?
To like decimals by adding zeros to the extreme rate. Means if we add a zero to the 3.72.
Correct.
Then
Now see here, after decimal point here, there are 4 digits. So we will have to make 4 digits here also, then it will become like decimal. So what we will do, we will add
we will
just,
add two zeros.
that's it. That's it. Now this part and this part has been converted into like decimals. Is it clear to you the conversion of decimals?
Yeah.
Others, please give the response in the chat box. Okay. Now for example is given. Okay, who will solve this example? Just raise your hands. Okay, it is already converted. 6.8 triple 356 3.5600 1.2872. Okay, all these are converted into like decimals. यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद सिर्फ एक डिजिट था, यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट है, यहाँ पे 4 डिजिट है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 3 जीरोस ऐड कर देंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे हम लोग 2 जीरोस ऐड कर देंगे. And here it will be as it is. Is it clear to you? Now all this unlike decimals are being converted into like decimals. Okay, very simple it is. Just you have to add the zeros to the extreme right. Okay, next one. Okay, exercise 6.1. Reva, you have to take the books from school. If your books are over, you should collect it from school. Okay, extra CWs. Okay, first question of exercise 6.1. Who will try this?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I have doubt on conversion of decimals.
What's the doubt?
Sir, can you please take your that examples again by scrolling up? Please.
Yes.
Sir, I have doubt in example. For example, how can we convert it? Means
Just a simple
why?
thing. We have to add zeros to the extreme right. यहाँ पे decimal point के बाद अभी ये तीनों नंबर में ये तीनों unlike decimals है, इसको हमको convert करना है like decimals. तो यहाँ पे ये जो वैल्यू है 1.2872, इसमें 4 डिजिट्स है आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट, इसमें 2 डिजिट्स है आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट, और इसमें एक ही डिजिट है आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट. ओके, तो जो 6.8 है इसमें मैं 3 जीरोस ऐड कर दूंगा टू द एक्सट्रीम राइट फॉर कन्वर्टिंग इट. 3.56 में मैं 2 जीरोस ऐड कर दूंगा फॉर कन्वर्टिंग इट, और 1.2872 will be as it is. Just we have to add zeros, nothing else. Is it?
Yes, sir. Is it now clear?
Okay, very nice. Okay, now first question, write the following decimal in words. Yes, who will tell me the answer for this? Yes, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it is 0.3. So we will write it in words like 0.3 tenths.
0.3 tenth nahi, 3 tenths. Okay. Use how we are writing it, using the place value chart of decimals. Okay, using the place value chart of decimals. In words we have to write, so we will write in words only. 3 TEN THS. Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
we do not need to pronounce that decimal point.
No, 3/10 means what? यानी हम लोगों ने प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट देखा था ना. There is no need of that now. Using the place value chart, we are doing this.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. पॉइंट के बाद पहला वैल्यू होता है टेंथ्स. It is 0.3. So it will become what? 3/10.
Yes, sir.
We are writing it using place value chart of decimal. For that, you should know this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Yes, Shlok, next one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. The question is 0.9. So we will take 0.9 tenths.
9/10.
We will not take that 0 and point name.
No.
Backside it was given, so I thought it would be like that.
No. Backside, there are many mistakes. In fact, in your textbook only, there are many mistakes. Okay. What was given at the backside? Gaurav, what's given at the backside?
Sir, it is given as 0.3.
What?
0.3. 0.9. 1.6.
Means using place value chart, we don't have to write the value. Just we have to write whatever is given according to that. It's like that.
That means
Okay.
we have to
Okay.
do not
Okay. You will have the same question afterwards in this exercise using the place value chart. Write the following. Okay. Here it is not there, I think, so in the first question. So let's make a correction. Just you have to spell it. It will come 0.3. Okay. And second one will come what? 0. 0.9. Is it like this only, na?
Yes, sir.
Just you have to spell it then. Okay. Okay, next one. This one is quite easy then. Everyone will be able to solve it.
The question number 3 is.
Okay. Mute yourself next, Manit. Manit. How you're going to spell this? Manit. 1 point. Manit, are you there? Okay, Aditya Khatti.
Yes, sir. Answer is 1.6.
Correct. 1.6.
Can I mute?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Next sum,
Hmm.
18.7. Sir, that answer is 18.7. 18.7. 10. Sorry, 18.7. Right, Holy.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mute yourself.
Sir,
Mute.
you have unmuted me.
Since long back, I have unmuted you, but you are giving the response very late, Manit.
Sir, because no one were at home and I go to open the doors, so that was I not unmuted.
Okay.
Not giving.
Okay. Tell me the answer for this one.
Right. Sir, the answer is 0.05.
Correct. 0.05. Okay. You complete the remaining questions. It is homework to you. At 10 o'clock, again, you will have to join me. We will continue with question number 2. Okay.
Sir,
This F, G, H, I, whatever are there in the first question, you will do it by yourself now. Okay.
sir, now second and third period are yours only.
Yes, next period is also mine.
Sir, for today only, na?
Yes. Till here you will do. Okay. Till the previous one. Till here you will complete. It's homework to you. And you will do it now only. You have 20 minutes time for the next class. Before that only you will complete it. NCW.
Yes, sir.
Okay.